Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Excel and creating or selecting a workbook. This gets the canvas ready. Once done, type concise headers in row 1 so formulas reference predictable names. Next, enter a few sample rows to test patterns and press Ctrl plus T to convert the range to a table. This enforces consistent formatting and enables structured references. Make sure to save early. Saving creates restore points and lets Excel autofill patterns more reliably as you continue working. Now focus on calculations and clarity. Enter formulas using equals SUM or equals average and prefer table column names like Table 1 amount for robustness. Then apply number formats and conditional formatting to highlight outliers. This improves readability and flags errors. Use autofilter to inspect subsets and create a pivot table to summarize data quickly. Pivot tables validate totals and reveal trends. As you build, copy formulas with relative or absolute references, depending on whether you want them to shift when filled across cells. Finish by protecting and documenting. Lock key cells, add comments explaining assumptions, and set a clear file name. Once done, adjust print preview and export to PDF or CSV depending on recipients, making sure column widths and headers print correctly. If results look wrong, use trace precedence and dependence or evaluate formula to step through calculations. These tools show how values propagate and reveal broken links or wrong references. Finally, save a backup copy so you can revert if a change breaks critical calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.